It is time. It's time for the light round. And then the lightning rounds are you ready, Ski Daddy? Time for the light round. Let's start with Joe in Texas. Joe.
Hey, Mr. Trill, thanks for taking my call.
Of course.
So with the hydrogen economy, that's what my question is based on. I feel like the future, could be very bright for hydrogen. And
I agree. That's why I said, go ahead. I'm sorry, I didn't mean to interrupt, but I love hydrogen. Which stock?
Yeah, with all the acquisitions this company has made, the synergies that could be created, my question is on Plug Power. And what's the take? They've been ripped from not making profits, but I'm forward.
I like those two acquisitions. That's why we have Plug Power on. I like the story, but I was hoping you would talk about Linde. Why? Because Linde's got a lot of other things going for it. We'll do this. Linde for the people who want to be able to have some hydrogen, but also have just a kind of a steady earning stream. And Plug Power for those who are young or young at heart and are willing to take a little speculative appeal. Let's go to Drew in New Hampshire. Drew.
Hey, Jim. How's it going?
I am doing well. How about you?
I'm doing great. I just want to thank you for everything that you do for us.
Oh, thank you.
Awesome.
Thank you.
So I had a question about a long-term defense play, Huntington Ingalls, HII.
Yeah, I don't know. I remember, look, I'm sold enough. I remember it was spun off. I am not going to endorse that. If I want a defense play, I'm going to go with Raytheon. And if you don't like Raytheon, because there's too much just regular aerospace, then I would go with Lockheed Martin. Steve in New Jersey. Steve.
Hello, Jim. How you doing?
I am good. How about you?
Very good. Thank you. Glad to get in touch with you. I'm actually fairly new to your show. I've only doing it for a couple of weeks. A friend got me into it, and I enjoy.
Thank you.
I have a question about Gilead.
Yeah, they're the gang that can't shoot straight. Really, they've got some things going, and we've seen that because we read about them all the time in the news with remdesivir. But other than that, you got a 4% yield, and you got a lot of drugs that they're not really panning out. I would skip it. This whole biotech group is down big. Why not take a solid look at Regeneron, which has some really good things in the pipe, including, by the way, the best cocktail, I believe, against COVID. Let's go to Mark in Washington. Mark.
Hey, booyah, Jim.
Booyah.
Greetings from Eastern Washington, home of the Eastern Washington University Eagles.
There you go. Man, Jim, I love Washington. It's gorgeous. All right. Oh, it's gorgeous. What's up?
Jim, I'd like your current thoughts on international flavors and fragrances, please.
Okay. I think that this merger that they're going to be doing with DuPont, which is a core holding for ActionAlertsPlus.com, the Travel Trust, and the club that I run, is going to be just terrific for IFF. And the stock is a buy right here at 122. Freebie, Estee Lauder, never got hit. Just went right back. Let's go to Benjamin in New York. Benjamin.
Hey, Cramer, this is Ben from New York. I want to give a good big booyah your way for all the great advice you've given and give a shout out to AJ and Brandon.
Love AJ.
The stock I have a question.
Love AJ.
The stock I have a question about is KPTI. It's been bleeding me dry since
Cancer spec. I never say no to those. Why? Because that market is so huge that yes, obviously if you bought it at 18, you'd hate me. I don't care. I happen to think that if you want to speculate, you want to speculate oncology because there's so much heartbreak and there's so much need. Let's go to Shimmy in Florida. Shimmy.
Chilly chill.
Yo, chill blocking 25 people today. And people give me a fight on anything. I say, hey, listen, the world is round. I said, what makes you so sure? What are you talking about? So go ahead.
Love it. So I know you always tout having a 10% stake in gold in your portfolio.
Yes.
Gold has ran up so much. So if you haven't bought in gold at this point, is it worth doing so? And if it is it better to buy Barrick, GDX, or the GLD ETF?
No, I actually am a very big fan of Barrick Gold. I think you buy half and then you wait. If you don't get it, come in. What can I say? That's a shame because the move has been so dramatic here. You got a big cap stock's up 55%. So you buy some, and then you hope it comes in. And believe me, things come in. A Zoom can come in. Anything can come in. Let's go to Matt in Virginia. Matt. Matt? Hello? Sounds like Matt may not be there. Should we take another caller? All right. Why don't we go to Bill in New York? Bill.
Hi, Jim. Booyah.
Booyah.
Jim, my company's recently changed its name from Intextron to Precision. The CEO took most of the company private, but left this one. What do you think?
Well, I do some work on that one. I mean, you know, you can run, but you can't hide. I don't know. Let me do some work on that stock. We'll have to come back to Precision. It's like some Provastic. Okay, and that, ladies and gentlemen, is the conclusion of the Lightning Round.
The Lightning Round is sponsored by TD Ameritrade. Don't miss a second of Mad Money. Follow @Jim Cramer on Twitter. Have a question? Tweet Cramer. #MadTweets. Send Jim an email to madmoney@cnbc.com or give us a call at 1-800-743-CNBC. Miss something? Head to madmoney.cnbc.com.